Taski Swingo 755 or 855 preparation, operation, and daily maintenance. Prior to cleaning with the Taski Swingo 755 or 855, follow these steps to ensure the machine is ready for operation. Notes: when handling any cleaning chemicals, be sure to wear the appropriate PPE as indicated on the safety data sheet. Start by unplugging the charging cable and storing the cable properly for next use. Next, fill the solution tank with either clean water or end-use cleaning solution depending on your chemical delivery system. Inspect the squeegee blades for any debris which may hinder cleaning results. Mount the squeegee in place by locking it into the squeegee holder. Connect the suction hose to the squeegee assembly. Mount the pad drivers or brushes by positioning them under the lifted brush unit. To operate the Taski Swingo 755 or 855, turn the machine to the on position by turning the key clockwise. Next, lower the brush deck by pressing down on the foot lever, sliding it to the right, then lifting your foot. The machine will automatically couple the brush or pad driver. Press down on the foot lever and slide it to the left to raise the deck into the up position. Turn on and adjust the solution flow to your cleaning needs. Solution will start flowing once the machine is put into motion. Turn on the vacuum by selecting the vacuum icon. Be sure to have your squeegee lowered before you start cleaning. There's an eco mode setting that can be used to reduce the vacuum motor and lower the sound level of the machine. The speed of the machine is controlled by the directional controls located on the handle. Pull back on the directional controls to move the machine in reverse. It is always best to raise the squeegee when moving in reverse. For the 855R Pad Assist Unit, squeeze the hand control lever to activate the pad or brush head. The speed of the Pad Assist machines is controlled by your pace of walk. Upon completion of the cleaning for the day, follow these steps to ensure your Taski Swingo 755 or 855 is ready for future use. Power the machine off by turning the key counterclockwise. Then, drain the recovery and clean solution tanks into a floor drain. Rinse both tanks with clean water when empty. Now inspect and clean the daily maintenance points. The maintenance points on the machine are yellow and do not require tools. Remove the float valve from the machine by turning it counterclockwise. Rinse it thoroughly to remove all debris. Once clean, reinstall the float valve on the machine. Next, remove the solution filter from the machine by turning it counterclockwise. It is best to do this over a floor drain as water may be present. Rinse it thoroughly to remove all debris. Once clean, reinstall the solution filter on the machine by turning it clockwise. Remove the large debris filter from the machine. Empty the large debris into the trash. Rinse it thoroughly to remove all debris. Once clean, reinstall the large debris filter. Remove the pad or brush from the machine. Thoroughly clean and allow the pad or brush to air dry. Next, remove the squeegee and clean it under running water. Wipe the squeegee with a dry cloth and reinstall it onto the machine. Now, turn the dosing aid upside down and close the lid. The lid will rest on the dosing aid and won't close completely, which will allow for ventilation. Finally, wipe the machine with a damp cloth. Then, plug the machine in for charging. In order to prolong the life of the batteries, it is important to allow the machine to go through a full charging cycle.